Today I'm going to be hiking the Bouddi Coastal Walk in the Central Coast of New South Wales, Australia. This amazing walk has some of the most beautiful views of the ocean, and I am so excited to share it with you. I caught the ferry in from Palm Beach so I could see the absolutely stunning views as I came in. What a way to start this absolutely beautiful day doing this spectacular walk. We are starting here. I'm like 500 meters in and oh my gosh, this place is insane. This hike is absolutely stunning. I have never done this before, despite being so close. I've not done any part of this track. Excited to see what the rest of this hike has. I'm not gonna lie, this is tough. I think I must be about halfway to McMaster's Beach, which is the turnaround point. Tell you what, I'm so wiped. If you don't know, I had a pulmonary embolism a couple of months ago and I had been feeling pretty fine. But honestly, today I am just exhausted. I can see rain clouds up ahead. I did bring a rain jacket, but obviously would prefer that I don't walk in the rain. I'm sweating so much, oh my gosh. So I've just come out onto this fire trail. I'm trying to work out what to do because I read online that this doesn't really go anywhere and it goes on for a while, so I'm debating I should turn back. I'm gonna be honest, I don't feel like walking on this fire trail for 2 kilometers. I'm turning around and I'm going to go back the way I came. I also didn't pack lunch and I am so hungry, so I'm not going to lie, the thought of getting something in Kilcare at the end of the walk in like 2.5 hours that's kind of motivating me right now to turn around. I am just so wiped. I normally would just push through, but honestly the hills are doing something to me. It's just the way it is. Sometimes things just don't go to plan. So Rob messaged me and told me that there's a storm coming through the northern beaches, and I think that I can see it, which is absolutely wild. It's an hour and a half drive to get back home, and yet I can see the rain clouds. Oh my goodness. I have about 30 minutes left. I'm so wiped. Oh, I am hanging out so much for a bottle of Diet Coke. Left the national park. I'm now doing the 5-kilometre walk back to the ferry. No luck with any food, so I'm gonna have to wait, but I did get a can of Coke, so I'm just gonna sit here, rest for a little bit before making, I believe, a 3-kilometre walk from here, walk back to the ferry and then back home.